Here's another clock in my collection I have. It's a 1904 Gilbert Mantel Clock. These clocks were manufactured pretty ornate so they could, stand out in a room. You'd find them on the mantle above a fireplace. I've had this clock in my collection since about 1968. The only thing about this clock is pretty well preserved, but through the years, before I acquired the clock, somebody painted it the green colors. The clock was originally a black and bronze. Someday I'll have that case refinished, but the clock works. It's a nice clock. It dings on the 15 minutes and chimes every 30 minutes. It has, in the case, it's got carvings. You can see around the dial, there's carvings there for gold paint to stand out from that black that's on it. It's pretty ornate. It's an ornate clock. They were quite a clock for their time. Gilbert stopped making clocks in 1920. In the 1920s, they were from Connecticut, and the factory was destroyed by fire in the mid-20s, and but they eventually rebuilt and then sold out to another company. But it's a fine old clock.